cried, I questioned my decisions, I received 50 rejections, but at the end, I did not stop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is entirely on how I got my first internship in USA, and then later on that internship got changed to a full-time job, and I am currently in that job. So let's get started. I'll start by saying that I have cried many times before I got this internship. मैं रूफटॉप पे बैठ करके रोती थी क्या मेरा ये गलत डिसीजन था टू कम टू यूएसए विदाउट एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस. लेट मी स्टार्ट बाय शेयरिंग व्हाट इज़ द करंट रियलिटी ऑफ जॉब मार्केट इन यूएसए. तो मेरे जो कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो कि मेरे साथ दे केम हियर नॉट फ्रॉम माई सिटी बट वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर वी वर हियर. They had like 3 to 5 years of experiences, and unfortunately some of them have to like increase the duration of their program or take one more program like a dual degree, so that they have to tackle this uncertain job market later on when it gets more stable. I have seen people taking more loans in addition to the education loan so that they can fund their living here, because living in USA has become so much more expensive. So after seeing those people who have 3 to 5 years of experience, seeing them struggle so badly, I thought about myself. Oh my god, which state I am into. I was straight out of bachelor's, zero corporate experience and just a student resume. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे पता नहीं था कि what I am putting myself into. I was aware of all these scenarios before I even landed. I knew for sure कि what I have to, go through to make it all work. As soon as I landed, this thought was there in my brain. Oh my god, I don't have any experience. I have to work my ass off to get something that I truly want. I looked into the mirror and said, Prerna, if you have to do something, survive yourself here, then you have to do something different. Something extra than what people here are doing. And I applied for the first internships 3 days after landing here. I applied with a broken resume because I did not have any experience to mention on it, anything big that I have achieved. There was totally like nothing except my bachelor's college, then my school, and maybe some projects that I have done in Excel. But if you guys want, I'll make a separate video on how I managed to make my resume from nothing to something that got accepted in corporate America, and then I'm into the job. I'm very happy to do that. Okay, so I won't lie, but I used to cry. I used to cry when I was alone just with myself. I used to think, I hope I had like few years of experience in my resume. Should I go back and come again when I have a little experience? Because when we are in our surrounding region, you might find connections, or through networking you might find someone who is working in that industry, and then you can make it work. But here, living all by myself and coming to a new country, I knew that I have to do each and every step by myself. There won't be any connection or anything. You need to start building it, start from the scratch. In the beginning, it's all on your skill, all on your abilities, till you start making those connections, those network, those people who would start speaking for yourself. Before anyone else would speak for you, we need to speak for ourselves. So practically, what did I do? The thing that I did firstly 3 days after landing was I opened LinkedIn out of anxiety and everything. I saw one job posting, I had my student resume saved, and I applied for that job right away. And then what happened? You all guessed it right. No, I did not get accepted for it. I received a straight out rejection. My first application and the first rejection. So what did I do next? I started asking my seniors, is this normal? Is this from where everyone starts? I started asking, does getting a job mean you have to face a rejection first? And when I was clear in all these questions, I started working on the very first thing. So I started focusing on the resume first. The resume that I had was completely different than what resume is accepted in corporate America. I started asking my seniors about advice on how to change my resume. I asked them how they did theirs and wanted to ask them if they can share a copy of their resume so that I can do alterations in mine. These people helped me so much that I got inspired how I want to help other people, my juniors, my community, and everyone who wants to seek help from me. I started reaching out to people on LinkedIn who are already working in the industry. We scheduled one-on-one call based on their conveniences, and then they told me this is wrong in your resume. I have realized that it is not a destination, it's a journey People will tell you what you have to do and then you will keep on doing it, but you don't have to stop until you get it perfect done. You have to keep on applying throughout the journey of making it better. So, what happened? 50 companies, 2 months, and 1 job offer. And this job offer finally got converted to a full-time role after the internship ended. You know what? 50 is very less as compared to what I have seen people doing. They apply for 200, 250, 300 internships, and then out of them they get calls for like at least 1, 2, maximum 5. So the one thing that I've realized is, don't wait to make your resume perfect. Don't wait for the perfect moment and start right away. Start with whatever you have and wherever you are. Don't miss any deadlines, don't miss any opportunities. Because I knew I did not have experience, so I needed a head start from anywhere. Then finally the day came when I had my first internship offer. Those 2 months of struggle for me, all those rejections, those cries at the rooftop, it all seemed worth it when you have that job offer in your hand. I cried. I questioned my decisions. I received 50 rejections. But at the end, I did not stop. I kept on moving because I knew that was the only way out. If you are someone there on that rooftop, scared, alone, please listen to me. Don't stop. Keep on moving because your day is coming. You came here with a purpose, with something in your mind, with a dream. That dream is still valid. Start moving and start seeking help. Start trusting the other person's experience and take advantage of that experience. In my next video, if you all want, I'll make a video on how to make your resume for corporate America. Bye for now, subscribe and don't miss Just Prerna USA.